What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're going to make a flatbread. We're going to call it the Carnivore flatbread. You guys are going to love it, we're going to enjoy it. Let's make this. Guys, those moments that you don't know what to do, you've got family and friends over, you don't have much time but you really want to enjoy the food, and this is so easy to make, and we need to show you guys, we need to share this with you. Let me introduce you to all our ingredients here today, very straightforward. And as always, they will be listed in the description below for you guys to check it later. We've got some dough here. Now, if you guys want to know easy recipe, how to make it on our channel, just go check that out. We've got some cream cheese here, a whole lemon, a red onion. We've got some leaf salad herbs here. Guys, that's really amazing. You can play with that. You can throw other stuff in there. Then we've got a beautiful chili oil here. We also got a video out on that if you guys want to know how to make that. On the side here, we've got a beautiful steak, matured 28 days. I think that's really going to bring all of this together and make a beautiful flatbread. Let's do that. We're going to start off with some flour. Just make sure that the bottom, the surface area that you're going to work on has got some flour. Take your dough ball, it's about a fist size, if you can see there. And then we're going to use a roller pin, very straightforward. The idea here is to roll this into a pizza circle, basically, and as thin as you can. Maybe about half to even a quarter thickness of a pizza. Just try and make a nice circle. Flip it every now and again. Add some flour if it's necessary, so nothing sticks to each other. And then keep on rolling. In this case, thinner the better. Remember guys, we're not making a pizza, we're making a beautiful flatbread. Guys, there you have it. There's our first flatbread. It's going to be amazing. At this stage, guys, you want to move over to the fire. We're using a skillet today. You can use whatever you have available. And guys, remember, you can do this in your kitchen as well. You want to make sure that your skillet is nice and hot. We're using a medium heat. We're not going to use any oil. It's going to be very easy and straightforward cook. Once your skillet is nice and hot, you want to throw your flatbread on there. And guys, just leave it for 30 seconds. Don't even lift it. 30 seconds later, it's time to flip this bad boy. Once we flip it, we're going to give it another 30 seconds. Guess what? We've got a beautiful flatbread. This bad boy is ready to be used. Now we take it off and we move on to the next step. It's time to move over to the fire. We increased our heat source. We lightly brushed this beautiful cut of meat with some olive oil. It's on the fire now. We're going to do about 2 minutes aside, and then we're going to flip it over 90 degrees and do another 2 minutes each side. It's about 1.5 inch thick, and we're trying to get that beautiful, perfect sear. Even if we don't get it, it doesn't matter. We're still going to enjoy this beautiful meal. Guys, 8 minutes in total, 4 minutes aside. This piece of meat looks absolutely beautiful. Now we need to let this rest. We're going to rest it for about 10 minutes, and then guys, this carnivore flatbread is going to come together so beautifully. Right, it's time to cut into this beautiful piece of meat. Look at that, that's exactly what we're after, nice and pink in the middle. I'd say medium, maybe medium rare, perfect. Guys, that moment, we're gonna assemble this beautiful flatbread. It's a carnivore flatbread, let's do it. We're gonna start off with some cream cheese. Just gonna put it all over this flatbread, just smear it in like so. There you go, you're going to get some on your fingers, not the end of the world. This is really going to uplift this flavor of this dish that we're making here today. It's going to be amazing. Remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the flavors, guys. It's all the flavors coming together, and this is really going to uplift this dish and make it amazing. Next, this beautiful piece of steak that we cut. Just going to put it over there. Now, you could smother this dish with them, or you can just put a few there. Whatever you want to do, guys, entirely up to you. We already got salt on these bad boys, so that's going to be amazing. Next, some leafy salad herbs. Co loves this, so we're going to go with it. There you go, make it pretty, and obviously it's going to be tasty. Some red onions, just a bit of that. You decide how much, it's entirely up to you. That looks beautiful. We need to also put some lemon zest on there, so just go ahead, get some of that skin over there. A little bit of lemon juice, guys, there you go, just a drizzle of that. Perfect, the flavors are going to be amazing. Lastly but not the least, a little bit of our chili oil. Just drizzle a bit of that, a little bit more. Perfect. Boys and girls, it looks like we've got a carnivore flatbread in front of us. Let's taste this bad boy. Boys and girls, it's time to taste. Cheers. Oh wow. Wow. It's worth another bite. That's truly amazing. I thought I'm gonna have to hold on to the meat. It was so tender. It just pulled away. The cream cheese is really amazing. Who would have thought cream cheese goes with meat? And that chili oil, guys, you have to try it out. That is seriously out of this world. This is really nice. I've said it a few times, but please go and try it out. It's such an easy dish to make at home. Takes a few minutes, prep time, and then a little bit on the fire or on your stove, whatever you decide to do. Guys, you know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one. Yep, there's Co. There you go, baby. Enjoy.